Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Code Beyond Degree. Welcome back to our WordPress tutorial series. Today we are diving into the world of WordPress plugins and how they can add functionality to your website. Let's get started. First thing first, let's talk about what exactly WordPress plugins are. Plugins are like apps for your website. They add extra features and functionality to your WordPress site without the need for any coding. So whatever you want to add, a contact form, improve your site's SEO or enhance its security, we can install plugin out there that can help you achieve your goals. Now let's take a look at how to install plugins on your WordPress site. In the WordPress dashboard, navigate to the plugin sections and click on Add New. Here you can search for plugins by keyword or browse through the featured, popular or recommended plugins. Once you find a plugin you want to install, simply click on the Install Now button. After the plugin is installed, don't forget to activate it to start using its features. You can do this by clicking on the Activate button that appears after installation. Now, let's talk about some essential plugins that every WordPress site should have. These plugins can help you improve your site performance, security, and user experience. Yoast SEO. Yoast SEO help optimize your website for search engines, improving your chances of ranking higher in search results. It provides features like XML sitemap generation, meta tag optimization, and content analysis. WordPress Security. WordPress Security is a comprehensive security plugin that protects your website from malware, hacking attempts, and other security threats. It includes features like firewall protection, malware scanning, and login security. WP Supercache. WP Supercache is a cache cleaning plugin that helps improve your site's load times by generating static HTML files and serving them to visitors instead of processing heavy PHP scripts for each request. WP Migration Backup and Restoration. WP Migration is a backup plugin that allows you to schedule automatic backups of your WordPress site's file and database. In case of any emergency or data loss, you can easily restore your site from a backup. And that's all about plugins which are required to install initially before developing website in WordPress. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon for further notification. See you soon in the next video. Till then, keep motivated, keep learning.